Hi everyone, it's Luke from Tentworld Midland, and today we're having a looking at Gasmate Travelmate II Deluxe twin stove with Hotplate. So like the single burner models, this one runs off the handy 220g butane gas cartridges. It features enamel coated spill tray tops with large flame protection rings, cartridge lock levers and rotary piezo ignition. Full stainless steel body. And it also comes with this super handy two-sided hot plate. So to get this guy going, simply remove the lid from your gas, pop open the side door, insert the nozzle of the cartridge into the valve, make sure the tab aligns with the top of the bottle, push down on the lever to lock the canister into place, close the door, and turn the knob into the on position until you hear the piezo click. There you go, all lit. So this stove consumes about 6 grams per minute of gas, so one of those cans will last you about 37 minutes on high. So we'll give it a boil test. I've got a litre of water in my billy here. We'll start the timer and see how long it takes. So keep in mind this stove isn't protected by any sort of wing guard, so it's fully exposed. We're just starting to see a little bit of steam coming off the top of it there. So we've got a real rolling boil going and some steam coming out at just over 6 minutes. So when you're all finished and ready to turn it off, simply turn the knob to the low position and then to off. Open the side door and insert the canister. So when you're all done and it's time to pack it away, wait for your stove to cool, place the griddle plate roughly in the middle, and then your stove just sits on top. So just on a final note, this stove comes with twin overpressure safety devices, one which ejects the cartridge if too much pressure occurs, and one which also cuts off the gas supply. So if this looks like the stove for you, jump into one of our Tentworld stores or see us at tentworld.com.au, and we'll see you on the next video.